Hello guys, if you're new to my channel, you're most welcome and I'm happy to have you. Today's video is really special because it was my nephew's birthday and this was the starter. Very tasty. Kudos to my sister, by the way. We went on and made some samosas. By the way, if you haven't checked how I made my samosa sheets and how I rolled them out and how I folded them, please do check it. I'll leave the link in the description box below. The main part of this video was the cake buffet known as sweet table. I had a lemon curd cake, a lemon cake with a lemon curd filling and lemon buttercream. We had some chocolate box, we had some chocolate fudge cakes, we have some chocolate cupcakes, and my nephew loved all of them. The decoration of the lemon cake was all his idea, which I was really surprised and also proud of. Proud auntie. And he really loved the cake, which I was super proud. And guys, if you like this video, it's short but very special and dear to me. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my other videos too. I love you all and stay blessed. Thank you.